Today, we're going to show you how to turn on location services on your iPhone. Location services allows your iPhone to determine your location for various apps and services, such as maps, weather, and location-based reminders. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to enable location services on your iPhone. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. First, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the home screen. Open the Settings app. It's the gray app with the gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy and Security section. It's usually located in the middle of the list. In the Privacy settings, tap on the Location Services option. This will open the Location Services settings where you can enable or disable location tracking for your iPhone. You'll see a toggle switch for location services. Flip this toggle switch to the green position. This will turn location services on for your entire iPhone. Now, let's look at app-specific permissions. You'll see a list of all the apps that can access your location. Next to each app, you'll find a small arrow. Tap the arrow to see the different permission options. While using the app. This is the most common setting. It means that the app can access your location only when you're actually using it. Always. This means that the app can access your location at all times, even when you're not using it. Never. This means that the app can never access your location. It's important to be mindful of which apps have access to your location. You should only allow apps to access your location if it's absolutely necessary for their functionality. For example, you might want to set Maps to Always, so it can always provide you with directions. But you might want to set a social media app to while using the app since it doesn't need your location all the time. Also, for every app, you will see a setting called Precise Location. This setting allows apps to get a more accurate location reading by using your GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. While using Precise Location can be helpful for navigation and other location-based services, it can also be a bit more invasive of your privacy. If you're concerned about privacy, you can disable Precise Location. Just flip the Precise Location toggle switch to off. Another important part of the location services options is found at the bottom of the section. Scroll down to the bottom of the Location Services screen to find System Services. Tap on this option to customize location access for various system services, such as Find My iPhone, location-based alerts, and more. It's important to be aware of how your location data is being used and to make sure you're comfortable with the apps that have access to it. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on location services on your iPhone. Whether you're using Maps for navigation, checking the weather forecast, or accessing location-based reminders, having location services enabled enhances your iPhone experience. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.